Hey everybody, it's Rob Wilson with SouthTampaTeardowns.com. We're visiting some of the different neighborhoods where we do a lot of business and just taking some shots of some really cool iconic places. Think places like Bayshore Boulevard, Ballast Point Park. We were down in Palmacia Park, and this is one of the kind of the cooler, more retro places in all of South Tampa. It's been here, goodness, 20, probably 30 years. And I was a scratch bowler growing up, and we needed a place south of Gandy in the Sun Bay South area that would be a great place to kind of be iconic and be visual, kind of tied to the community. And I imagine everybody that lives in this area, especially for a long time, is going to be familiar with Panorama. They're just a great small business doing just like I walk in here, it's like 2 o'clock on a Thursday, and they're busy, they're packed, and it's really cool to see. So, and we hope Panorama is going to be here along with all of our neighborhoods for a real long time.